In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Minecraft server for free. All right, so we're already in Minecraft.net, but if you don't know, go to Google in any browser that you're using and just type in Minecraft Realms, and it's going to bring you here. So what you want to do is go to My Games, right? Pretty much your profile, and then click on the left-hand side. You're going to see My Games, My Realms. So click My Realms. And here you're gonna be under wallets and realms. So Minecraft Realms are your own private realm server. Play online with up to 10 friends at once. Friends play for free in your realm. A person rule always online. And you can only do this once, but hey, it is for free. So you're gonna have a free 1 month trial. Claim your free Java Realms trial. Your first month of Minecraft Java Realms experience is on us. After 30 days, your subscription will renew unless canceled. You will be sent a receipt once your first payment is processed. So as you can see here, just click on I have yes and then try Java Realms. And the process of setting it up is very straightforward. You just need to follow the instructions. Very user friendly, very newbie friendly. And this is how you create, your free realms. If somebody says that, oh, this is a video about, how do you actually create? No, this is the only way. Unless somebody gives you money that you can use to pay the monthly fee for realms, because you do need to pay monthly for your server or realms to be up and running. And yeah, this is it. This is the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.